Weekly Solar Origins building part 4. So before I start, I'm just going to fix this bug right here. Let's just add a block there. So this week's part, it will be making this little bridge looking structure actually look like a bridge, and then a transition out of this part. So now let's get started on the bridge, So I'm just going to copy this little road here, and then I'm going to put it down like that. And I'm gonna use some like rotate triggers to then make it like slope up into like a bridge. So then like you have to jump the bridge pretty much. And I'm gonna get to work on that, and then I'll cut to when it's done. So here's the finished product of the bridge. And the little default blocks are kind of in the way, but it does slope up into like a bridge. They're saying that you have to jump it. So now I'll just polish the bridge thing up and then make the second half of the bridge. So now I've just made the second half of the bridge, and here it is. There we go. And you can't see it like slope up, so it's just going to be default sloped up. And also I added like a mini big thing, because like it's kind of like a background thing. Because when you're big, that road there, the one that on the left next to the ladder, yeah, that one I'm copying right now. You go through that because like it's in the background. So I'm now gonna just make a copy of it and then put it on the other side. I'm now gonna add, so if you don't jump to the yellow orb there, you just die to this little structure here. And I'm gonna make the road next to the structure tangible, so then like you can walk on it, and then like you can crash into the structure because you failed. So now I'm making the transition out of this part, and making these little robot things, they took a long time to like make. So now that I've got them, I'm going to use keyframes to animate them, and then I'm going to finish up the transition by like probably adding more structures around it. So now that I've finished the keyframing, here is the results.